I'm hearing a few people commenting that the range between the controller and the DJI Mini 3 Pro isn't as good as it could be. Now, under UK rules, I cannot do a very long distance range test, but what I can do is work around obstacles. And with plenty of trees about, trees manage to suck the life out of signal and video transmission. So today it's a very quick video because I do have a particular blind spot not very far away from me where signal always seems to drop out. So I'll be flying the Mini 3 and the Mini 2 and seeing how they both get on. Okay, first off, let's try the good old Mini 2 with the standard RC controller, M1 controller. I'm going to keep nice and low because that will make things more difficult for it. All right, let's go. Off we go. I really don't have to go very far before this huge clump of trees starts messing things up. So I'll get up to 25 meters, make it the same for both. See, already the signal is kind of getting a little bit unhappy. Weak signal kicks in at just 300 meters. Still weak signal. Okay, very jumpy, very poor video transmission now. That's just at 300 meters. So I'm actually going to a little bit close to that tree. Let's jump up to 35 meters. So let's keep that gimbal down, get a little bit more. Okay, so just 300 meters with the Mini 2, and my usual blind spot is just that, very poor signal. Haven't quite lost signal altogether. I'm going to bring it back because let's not push our luck. Say for advertised 6-kilometer range, even on the Mini 2, that's not exactly the best performance, is it? But like I said, trees really do suck the life out of signal, and it will very quickly have signal dropout and video dropout if you are flying around trees. Right, let's power up the little wee beastie. So this will be the Mini 3. Let's do the same little test. So I'm going to take it up to 35 meters again, like the other one, because 25 meters was a bit close to that tree. Right, let's go to the same spot. Do love this new controller though. Still very bright white cloud, very easy to see. Right, already the signal quality is going. Just past that tree. Okay, weak signal, it's pretty much exactly the same spot. Let's try and turn around. So I've lost, it's got intermittent video transmission now. Again, I keep pressing these bloody buttons on the back. Come on, go up. Very poor signal quality now. There we go. And it is still around. Yeah, very, very jumpy. So, I mean, I make a stick movement and the video changes literally. Let's come back a bit closer. For me, the video transmission is worse in that you literally got 5-10 second jumps between making a stick movement and the picture updating. It's literally just it's 330 meters that way. Let's just go there. No, you see, that's just it. I move again. Very jumpy. Move the stick. A few seconds later, I get the change in video. Right, let's bring it back because he's obviously not very happy. I'm going to chuck it into sports mode. It's flying against a bit of a stiff breeze. Now I've completely lost connection. Okay, that's not very good at all, is it? Come on, mate. I can see you. Why can't you see me? Hello, reconnect. So I've lost complete video connection now, which is a bit of a shame. 277 meters, 35 meters high. Now the auto return to home is kicking in and I'm going to let it happen. So yeah, a little bit disappointing that. Okay, there we go. Now it's reconnected. Let's just cancel the return to home, get it home nice and fast in sports mode. Okay, so not really that great, eh? Let's just have a quick, can hear him, flying hard against the wind. Hello, little drone, come back to me. Got landing protection here. Oh, he's blowing around a bit, okay. He's not very happy in that wind. Stand still. Nope, we'll have to do a ground land. There's Ted, not about. Not quite as stable in the strong wind either. Okay, so that wasn't massively successful, was it? The Mini 2 dropped out, the Mini 3 completely dropped out and went into automatic return to home at that same point. Now I should point out, even the Mavic 3 dropped out significantly at that particular point. It is a little blind spot I've got from my garden. There's a, as I say, a very dense clump of trees, and for whatever reason, trees do suck the life out of signal. Would this go to 6 kilometers away? Well, I won't be trying that, but I would doubt it would actually make it, to be honest. I don't know. Certainly with the CE lower power output, maybe over in the USA where you've got the FCC level of transmission, you might get that far. I'll let one of the USA guys do that. But certainly for me, you do have to be careful, especially if you're flying near trees, that you're not going to suffer a signal dropout. Make sure that return to home altitude is set to higher than any tree in your vicinity. Not too high though, you don't need it going up to 120 meters high because the wind will be a lot stronger up there. Anyway, useful little test. Always good to know the limitations of the equipment you're flying with. Anyway, hope you found this useful. Give me a little thumbs up as ever, helps the cause. And until next time, have fun and happy flying.